Hello everyone, welcome to All Tech Queries, a YouTube channel where you will find solutions for all your technical queries. So in our previous video, I have explained what is refresh rate and why it is one of the important specifications of a monitor. I have also explained what is refresh rate in a television, in mobile phones and on your computer monitor. So if you haven't already, please go back and check the video to understand what is refresh rate. Now if you already know what is refresh rate, in this video I am going to show you how you can check your refresh rate and how you can increase and decrease the refresh rate without using any third party apps. So before we start our video, please like our video and subscribe to our channel. Keep supporting us. So let's begin. Now there are three methods by which you can check the refresh rate of your monitor. The number one is you can check on the product box, most probably it will be there. If not, you can check on the manufacturer's website or Amazon. Now this is my monitor, and if you enter your monitor number, model number, you can see here in the specifications it is 60 Hz. So this was the second method, and third is the manual method. So let me show you the manual method as well, and during this process you will also see how to decrease the refresh rate. So first I am going to show you how to decrease the refresh rate, then we will see how to increase it. So to decrease it and check the refresh rate, go to start menu and go to the settings. Here go to the system menu, keep it on the display menu and scroll down. Here you can see advanced display settings, click on it. Now there are all details of your monitor, the resolution, refresh rate, bit rate. So here you can see the refresh rate of your monitor, and if you look at the bottom of the screen, click on this drop down menu, you can see more options. So here you can also decrease the refresh rate of your monitor. You can decrease up to 50. Now if you are wondering what is interlaced, let me show you an example here. So what a monitor renders an image in a sequential order, so it will render like this. If you are following my mouse, you can see it will render a picture like this, and it will render 60 frames per second. Now interlacing means the monitor will try to increase the frames per second, and how it will do, let me show you. So this is how interlaced looks. So for one frame, what it does is it will render one line and skip one line, render one line and skip another line. Now this is one frame, and in the second frame what it does is skip one line and render one line. So if you play this continuously, you can see the full image. Now you may not see it properly because I have created large lines here. So basically there are not this much wide lines, they are very small lines, so our eye cannot detect whether the image is split or full. So this is how interlacing works. So I hope you understand the concept of interlacing. Now getting back, now if you have multiple monitor setup, you can click on this drop down menu and select the monitor for which you want to change the refresh rate. Now one thing is important, if you have multiple monitors and if one monitor has 75 Hz, one monitor has 60 Hz, so you will have a bad experience because one will render more images per more frames per second, and another will render less frames per second, so it won't look very nice. So what you have to do is keep all of them to the same hertz. So by using this method you can decrease the refresh rate. So let's see how to increase the refresh rate. So for this you need to right click on the desktop and go to NVIDIA control panel. Now it is more convenient if you have a NVIDIA graphic card. If not, you can also download this NVIDIA control panel from the NVIDIA website. Now as you can see here, we also have an option here to decrease the refresh rate. So there is a trick by which you can increase the refresh rate. Now increasing the refresh rate means you are overclocking your monitor. So if you are not an expertise, I suggest you not to refresh the monitor, not to increase the refresh rate of the monitor. Okay. So to increase, however, I am going to show you the process. So click on this customize button and let this option be enabled, and click on the create custom resolution button. Now I suggest you keep the same horizontal and vertical pixels. What you can do is change the refresh rate here. It is 60 here. You can also change it to 100, but I would not recommend that, and nobody will recommend that because it may damage your monitor. So what you can do is increase it slowly. You can increase 5 points or 10 points. So let me show you. I am keeping my monitor refresh rate as 70, and we have to click on the test button. So it will test first whether your monitor can handle or not. So everything looks good on my monitor. So my monitor can handle 70 Hz. If not, if your monitor does not handle that much Hertz, you can see black lines or complete black screen. So if everything goes fine, you can keep the refresh rate, and you can keep increasing by 5 to see how much your monitor supports it. But currently I am not going to change my refresh rate of my monitor, because in the long term it will damage your monitor. And I'm also not a gamer, so 60 refresh rate is good for me. So that's all for today. If you have any more queries, you can comment below. Also check out our other videos, and if you think this video was helpful, then click on the like button. Also click on the subscribe button to keep supporting us. Thank you for watching.